This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter the high resolution camera mode on this device. So without further ado, as you can see, I've already launched the camera. So in order to enable the ultra res mode over here, swipe the modes list all the way to the left like that, I guess. For some reason my camera bugged, so let me relaunch it real quick. So slide the modes list to the left until you will open the the more section, and in here simply enter the 50 MP or 50 megapixels mode. And now every picture that you will take will be in the significantly increased quality. It will contain way more details and will respectively have higher resolution or dimensions. But you also have to know that it all comes at the expense of such photos occupying significantly more storage space. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.